Welcome to another video. It's another quick one. It's to do with the Apple Carplay in BMW F30 2013 year registration. This car did not have any sat nav. It just came with just a basic head unit, and there was nothing on it. So the first retrofit, it was that just a basic sat nav. They call it NBT, and obviously that was coded. That job was done, and also for sat nav, this activation emulator was used, because normally it asks for those FCS codes, and for that thing I had to purchase this wire. It came with this, I think it costed £30-40 or something on AliExpress. Then I decided to get Apple Carplay, and it's got almost everything in it. Like you can even stick your reverse camera and perhaps front camera as well. So, and also it comes with an extra USB and audio out, but I think this is not required. The mainly thing is it's not difficult to do it. So as long as your new head unit is coded, so this is just a plug and play. You don't need to code anything. So simply just a matter of plugging these cables in. That's just a normal, obviously your accessories and stuff. That's your can power. So can power, the point of this video is, because some people, obviously, they had this retrofit done already. So their question was, will that work? Like, obviously, if you do Apple CarPlay, you don't need this thing anyway. So you'll be using Waze or anything, whatever's on your phone. But still, it's good to have or good to retain your existing SatNav feature. Looks good. So the question was, if they plug this in, this wiring harness with this encoder, will that work? Because there was another one which normally plugs into this one. This because it's an old can. That's where the problem is. It's 2012, and after I think 13, 14, it's just changed, and that's why this version 1, this, otherwise you have to play around and cut wires and stuff. This is why the version 1, which I think started from 2009 up to 2012, this joystick looks same, but it's not same. It's a different, is earlier version of the can. That's why this is 2013, and it doesn't work with anything after. It works with version 1. So yeah, there were a few things could have been done. Either to give power from this one, because there is another version of wire, it comes with the old one, which lets you keep this emulator kind of thing, this wiring with this connection, and then you can power your encoder through joystick. Is technically one wire goes into the can connection, and then from this wire that goes into the joystick. It's just like kind of a topology. So, but anyway, going back to this setup, like a newer way of setup, some people asked if they use this plus this, either to cut this wire and stick it here, again matching cable where it goes. And obviously this was mentioned at so many places that it might not work, but obviously I have experimented this cable. This was the old one that connects to the main, and then this one holds, perhaps I think it is similar kind of cables, but Yeah, so then your emulator for Sat Nav activation is here, and then that runs into the main, which is power for the encoder. And yeah, initially when you plug it in, it might not obviously pick it up. It'll pick up in case if it's been working. Then you will see your map will disappear. Then it might start prompting for the code. You don't need to panic. You can just turn it off for a little while and then switch it on again, so it will learn again. So as you can see, powers up.